Okay, we're going to try this new tool that is made by ORI. We call it a 5/8 inch misalignment spacer plug, because these spacers want to fall out. It's hard to line everything up. So we're going to push this plug through. It's secured with O-rings on both sides. Now with the plug in place, we can put the strut on the car, and this will work with any 5/8 inch bearing, really. It doesn't have to be an ORI strut. See, the spacer's firmly held in place. Not only that, this doesn't weigh several hundred pounds. Now I can use the screwdriver to go through that plug to line it up better. Make sure it's lined up all the way through. Now the bolt. Take the screwdriver out, line it up. Out goes the plug.
Here it is on the ground.
And we're good. All we have to do now is put the washer on, impact it on. The bottom mount is in. And we can do the same for the top mount.